Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to complete your EPFO e-nomination online in a simple, step-by-step manner. E-nomination is one of the most important services available to EPF members. By adding a nominee to your EPF account, you can ensure that your EPF, pension, and EDLI benefits are transferred to the right person in case of any unforeseen circumstances. Before starting the process, keep the following information ready: your UAN number, your UAN password, your Aadhaar linked mobile number, the Aadhaar details of the nominee, a recent photograph of the nominee. Having these details ready will help you complete the process quickly. Step 1. Log into EPFO member portal. Open any web browser on your mobile phone or computer. Search for EPFO member portal and open the official EPFO member eSeva website. On the login page, enter your UAN number. Enter the password, fill in the captcha code displayed on the screen, then click on Sign In button. Step 2. Verify your login. If OTP verification is required, an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP in the space provided and complete the verification process. Once verified, you will be logged into your EPFO account. Step 3. Verify your profile details. After logging in, click on the View menu. Then click Profile. Carefully review your profile details. Make sure your name, date of birth, gender, Aadhaar details, mobile number, and address are correctly updated. Please note that if your profile information is incomplete or incorrect, you may not be able to complete the e-nomination process successfully. If any corrections are required, update them before proceeding further. Step 4. Open the e-nomination section. Now go to the Manage menu available on the dashboard. Click on e-nomination. Your profile information will appear on the screen. Review the details and click on the Proceed button. This will take you to the nomination section. Step 5. Family Declaration. The system will now ask whether you have a family. Select the appropriate option according to your situation. If you have a spouse or dependent family members, select Yes. After selecting the option, proceed to the next step. Step 6. Add nominee details. Now click on Add Family Details. You need to enter the nominee's information carefully. Enter the nominee's Aadhaar number. Enter the full name exactly as per Aadhaar. Select the date of birth. Choose the gender. Select the relationship with the member. Enter the nominee's address. Ensure that all information matches the nominee's Aadhaar records. Incorrect information may create differences during future claim settlements. Step 7. Upload the nominee photograph. After entering the nominee details, you need to upload a photograph of the nominee. Click on the Photo Upload option. Select a clear passport-size photograph. Make sure the image is in the required format and within the specified file size limits. Review the uploaded image carefully and confirm the upload. Once uploaded successfully, proceed to the next step. Step 8. Save family details. Read the declaration displayed on the screen carefully. Tick the declaration checkboxes. Click on Save Family Details. After successful submission, the nominee details will be displayed in the list. Verify all information once again before moving ahead. Step 9. Allocate EPF nomination share. In the EPF nomination section, select the nominee you have added. Now specify the percentage share. If there is only one nominee, enter 100%. If you have multiple nominees, divide the percentage accordingly. The total share allocated among all nominees must be 100%. After entering the share percentage, click on the Save EPF nomination. Step 10. Complete Aadhaar e-sign. This is the final and most important step of the process. You will see an option called E-signing pending. Click on it. Accept the declaration. Now enter the Aadhaar number of the EPF member. Please remember that you must enter the Aadhaar number of the account holder and not the nominee. Click on Send OTP. An OTP will be sent to the mobile number linked with your Aadhaar. Enter the OTP. Click on Verify OTP. Once the OTP is verified successfully, your e-sign process will be completed. This confirms your nomination electronically. Step 11. Verify nomination status. Return to home page. Open the e-nomination history section. You should now see that the status displayed as nomination successful. You can also download the nomination PDF. Review the PDF and verify all the information submitted by you. It is advisable to save a copy of this PDF for future reference. Important reminders before we conclude. Here is a few important points. Always ensure that the nominee details match Aadhaar records. Keep your Aadhaar linked mobile number active. Review all information carefully before submitting. Download and save the nomination certificate PDF. Upload the nomination whenever there is a change in the family details. And that's it. Your EPFO e-nomination has now been completed successfully. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on EPF, labor laws, payroll compliance, HR practices, and employee benefits. Thank you once again, and we will see you in the next video.